Hi guys, Voinski, and today we're doing what I eat in a day following a keto or low carb diet. So right now is breakfast time and I'm making a bulletproof coffee. So I'm brewing the coffee now, and you'll see I already have a tablespoon of coconut oil, a tablespoon of Kerrygold butter, and then once it's all done, I'll put it in here, I'll fill it up to about almost the 16 mark, and I'll put cinnamon and some pink Himalayan salt inside. Okay, so I made my bulletproof coffee. Here it is. Show it to you right there. Really frothy, and I will have this. It's about a little over 200 calories, and the macros on it are, obviously, as you can guess, mostly fat. So I'll do that, and then I'll see you guys at lunchtime. Okay, lunch. So at 1:30, that's when I typically eat. So what I made was one scrambled egg, half an avocado with everything with the bagel seasoning on it, super good, and some of the Parmesan chips. They're called Wisps. So I'll show you those two things, and I'm gonna track all of this today so at the end we can see. These are the Wisps that I use just for some crunch with the softer food. And then everything with the bagel. This is Trader Joe's. You can also get it on Amazon. Super good. Okay, so that's lunch. Hey y'all, okay, so it's not dinner time yet, but it's in between lunch and dinner. So what I'm gonna do is I have my ketone, I have a Maui punch one, I'm gonna mix it up in ice water, I'll show it to you, and then that will be what gets me through until dinner time. And I have no idea what I'm making for dinner, so it's just gonna be one of those things where it's like whatever I have in the fridge, we'll figure it out. It will be easy because my husband's not eating dinner with me tonight, it's just me. So I can kind of just like make whatever I want, so we'll see. Okay, so I have my Maui punch and I'm gonna do that, and this will get me through till dinner so that I'm not snacking and I'm not gonna crash now that it's about almost 3 o'clock and my kids are getting off the bus. So, yay! Hi guys, it's dinner. So I was making dinner just for myself. My kids had different things, my husband's not here. So I actually used frozen salmon that I got from Costco, and I made a lemon garlic butter salmon that I tented in aluminum foil with some roasted asparagus and yellow squash. I'll show you right here. So I put all the macros in for that already, and I did put some Parmesan cheese just kind of like sprinkled over it, cooked in vegetables cooked in olive oil, and the salmon cooked in, again, that lemon garlic butter sauce. So I'm super excited to eat it. I did enter my macros. I'll insert it here so you can see. So I'm actually close to, I think it's like 80-something% fat for the day, which is great because I really needed to get my fat intake up. It's been kind of lower the past few days and I needed to just kind of get back on track. So I'm really excited about that. If you liked this video and you enjoyed seeing what it's like to eat a day of keto, low carb, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you'll always get notified of new stuff coming out. And until next time, good luck on your keto, low carb journey. See you guys soon.